Hello, hello. Welcome to SharonBeMakinStuff. So lately I have been having a lot of fun with my waffle maker, and I've been doing a lot of experimentation with different waffle recipes. Today I want to share with you my own healthier version of a buttermilk waffle recipe. If you have a waffle maker, then you are already halfway there to enjoying some delicious waffles. All we're doing is mixing the dry and wet ingredients together to form a batter, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start, we are going to need 2 cups of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Next, we need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 1 tablespoon of wheat germ, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and last but not least, for our dry ingredients, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. For the wet ingredients, we are going to need 2.5 cups of buttermilk, 2/3 cups of vegetable oil, 3 whole eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For toppings, you can use whatever you want or whatever you have available to you. Today I am just using frozen berries, bananas, and pecans. Pecans. Oh my gosh, here we go again with the pecan. So first thing we're gonna do is mix up the dry ingredients. So go ahead and give the whole wheat flour and all-purpose flour a good mix. And then you can add in the brown sugar, the cornmeal, the flax seeds, the wheat germ, the baking soda, the kosher salt, the nutmeg, and the cinnamon. Then you can go ahead and add in the lightly beaten eggs and vanilla, the vegetable oil, and last but not least, add in the buttermilk. And just give everything a good mix until everything is well combined, but careful not to overmix, and just stop when the flour has moistened. Is that the word? I hope so. So this is a little trick that I've learned when using a waffle maker. It really helps if you transfer the batter into a cup or something with a spout that can be easily poured out of, just to reduce any messes that could potentially happen. So for 4 waffles, I am filling up my measuring cup to about 1.5 cups, and that works out perfectly. So before starting, make sure you are following your waffle maker instructions. I am preheating mine beforehand, and because mine is non-stick, I don't have to oil it. Once my waffle maker tells me that it is ready, I am going to pour 1.5 cups of batter onto the griddle, and I'm going to use a heat-proof rubber spatula to evenly spread the batter around. Make sure to get all the corners so that the waffles will come out even. And then I'm just gonna let them cook until I hear the beeping sound and the waffle maker does its magic and tells me that they're done. And that is pretty much it. You can enjoy them fresh right out of the waffle maker, or if you want to save them for another day, they actually do freeze very well. It can last for up to 6 months, and you can toast them right beforehand, and they will taste just as fresh as the day you made them. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy your light and fluffy, delicious and healthy buttermilk waffles. I just stacked 2 on a plate, added my toppings with the berries, bananas, and pecans, and drizzle some maple syrup if you want to add a little bit of sweetness, and there you go. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my version of a healthier buttermilk waffle recipe. If you give it a try, then please let me know how it goes. If you liked the video, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to SharonBeMakinStuff, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye! Also, here's a little footage of me just enjoying these waffles because they were way too good to just leave on the plate, and I had to finish it all. Okay, goodbye for real now. Bye!